Hey everyone, it's Attorney Joseph McClellan, and today we're going to knock out identity theft in 3 minutes. It's a big order. Stick with me. You're going to love it. Let's do this. Number one, you have identity theft on your credit report still, probably because you're doing it wrong. And you're doing it wrong because they're telling you to do it wrong, and you're doing it just like they want you to. And in fact, about half the people who read the internet and do it themselves are going to have an issue because they're not going to get it fixed. And you don't need to hire anyone to do this, guys. You don't need to pay anything, but follow the instructions. Let's move. First of all, who am I? How do I know this? Why do I care? I'm Attorney Joseph McClellan. I'm a consumer protection attorney, and that means I sue Equifax, TransUnion, Experian all the time in federal court. I'm a member of the Georgia and New York state bars, and I'm a member of NACA. Heck, I'm the author of Identity Theft, which is a book, The Steps Before Litigation. And I've been quoted in a bunch of places. Who cares? Next. So, what do you need to do? We've got 3 minutes. Let's move quick. You need to use our templated letter. You can use a generic letter from online. If you do use the online one, you're going to also need to include either a police report or an identity theft affidavit for that to work for you. Ours is different. You can ask for us directly. We'll give you our template. We've combined the two, so you don't need to do that. Regardless if you've used your own or you used ours, after you mail it in, certified mail, so you know that they've gotten it, what's the next step? This is easy. Either they fixed it, great, move on, go about your business. Or if they didn't fix it, the problem is they're probably not going to fix it in subsequent disputes. That means you need to take a different action. And so the internet's going to tell you to contact the FTC, they're going to tell you to contact the CFPB, they'll tell you to contact the Attorney General. The problem is all those places are friendly, but they're not your friends. And what I mean by that is they will not file a case on your behalf and get you individual results. So you will be stuck with it. And so the issue is your correct solution actually is to sue the credit bureaus. That's what I do. How does that work? That's going to work this way. We're going to see what you've done. We're going to see if you filed the right paperwork. And if you have and you're being truthful, then we'll file a claim on your behalf. And we file a claim on your behalf. If you're correct, then you will, and if you're correct, then you will get a settlement offer. And we will negotiate to get you the best settlement offer possibly and get it removed. But Joseph, how do you get paid? You're an attorney. We only get paid unless you get a recovery. It's kind of like a personal injury case for your credit report. And that's why you don't have to pay us. We get paid at the end of the case only if we're victorious. Joseph, how do we get in touch with you? Information's on your screen right there, joseph@jacksonlaws.com if you want to email me. If you want to call me, it's 770-775-0938. If you have any other questions, reach out to us. Let's see what we can do. Hope you're doing well. Guys, that's it. 3 minutes.